Hi, this is Lin. Today we are going to talk about how to ask questions in Chinese by using an A, not A structure. This is a very common way if you want to ask a yes or no question in Chinese. So let's get started. So in this structure, the A can be a verb or be an adjective. For example, if you want to use 要 as an A in this structure, you can say 你要不要喝茶? That means, do you want to drink tea? Or if you want to use 是 as an A in this structure, you can say 你是不是学生? That means, are you a student? So this is a very easy way to ask a yes or no questions in Chinese. But there's a special case, like when the A is a two-character word, like 喜欢 or like 开心. It's kind of two-character word. Sometimes we will just drop the second syllable in the first A. What does that mean? Let me give you an example. So it's instead of saying 你喜欢不喜欢, we will just say 你喜不喜欢, or instead of saying 你开心不开心, I will just say 你开不开心. So we would just normally drop the second syllable in the first A, but if we don't drop it, it's still fine. You are still right. But if you do drop it, it will make you sound more like a native speaker. So yeah, that's it. It's very easy. You can try to make a sentence using this structure and leave a comment down below. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Happy you are watching this video now. So I hope I can see you again next time. Bye bye.